Your key fob for your Tucson died. Sorry, it happens, but I'll help you get into your vehicle. The good thing is, not only can we get you into the car using our physical key here, but also the chip that's inside of this remote is still gonna work to start your car. So that is great. We're gonna get into the vehicle using the physical key, and then we'll hold this remote down on the starter for 2 to 3 seconds, and it will connect and start your vehicle. One thing though, if you see the green light showing up on your key fob, that means that the fob is not dead. It's your car's battery. We can still get into the vehicle so you can pop the hood, and I'll show you how to do that right away, but you'll have to take the car to a service center. So let's get into it. What we're looking for is right here. I'll show you how to unlock the door by taking this piece off, and it's gonna start with pushing this little button underneath. And we're going to use our physical key, which is in this little black sheath here. So we've got our physical key here. Just have to pull that black piece off. I'm gonna put that into our little button there. And you're pushing a little plastic button in, and this piece is gonna come off that way. It's gonna come off out and that way. Now be careful, you might drop it on the ground. So you're gonna wanna watch out for that. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull towards myself and push in that direction. And it should pop off right like that. And this is our piece. There you go. And now we've got a physical keyhole there. So I'll take my little key, bend it like so. You don't really need to, but better leverage. You can turn that towards ourselves, and now the horn's going off. I can stop it by pressing the unlock button, but your key fob is dead. So you're gonna have to get into the vehicle, and I'll show you where to go from there. So what we're gonna do is take the key fob and put it against our start button. And push the start button with the key fob. So that's gonna allow your vehicle to start, even if our fob is dead. If you found this video helpful, drop a like below. We're located here at Birchwood Hyundai in Winnipeg, Manitoba. My name is Zach. Thanks for watching.